Hello. One option you have for joining a meeting is using the browser. However, as much as possible, we suggest you don't. This is because the functionality is highly reduced when compared to the application, including not being able to take part in polls or collaborate on a whiteboard. Once you've found your meeting and clicked the link, it will take you to this page. If you've got the application, simply click Launch Meeting and it will work, or in this case we're going to click the other link, Join from Browser. Once you've joined, it will ask you to enter your name. Please use your full name or a variation on it so that we can track who's attended each session. You may be asked to confirm your humanity before you're able to join. Once you've signed in, you have the audio options. You can either choose to go by phone audio, in which case you can call this number, put in the code, and you'll access the Zoom call, or alternatively join by computer audio that uses your microphone and speakers or headphones, headset, however you've got it set up. This is generally preferable. Once in the meeting, there are two buttons in the bottom left, one for muting and unmuting your microphone, and the other one for turning your video on and off. Right next to these big buttons are smaller options that give you more fine control, such as choosing your audio source or your video settings. Whilst in the meeting, you can see who else is there. In this case, it's just myself. And you have these options on how to speak to whoever is the host. So they might ask you if anyone has any questions to raise your hand, and then they will see this little icon of a hand at the top in the order of which people clicked it. They might say, does everyone agree? And someone can yes or no, and they can get a general feel for the room without having 1,000 people yelling at them. There's also go faster, go slower, and these other options. The other option you've got here is the chat function, in which you can message whoever you wish to. There'll be one option per person in the meeting, and it will also tell you who the host is. So if you just want to message the host, your lecturer, most likely, you can just do it there. Or if you wanted to have a group discussion, type the message in, hit enter, and it sends. You can also, if you're having some connectivity issues, you can disable video receiving. And all that means is you're not going to be downloading other people's videos while you're trying to listen and maybe get more information through that way. To leave the meeting, click Leave and confirm your choice. That will then take you to this screen, where you'll be able to give feedback on whether the meeting was good or bad in a technological sense. And if it's bad, you can give more feedback to allow Zoom to improve its service.